Next we are discussing area of quadrilateral ABCD if sides and angle between diagonal is given. Okay, so we want to find out area of quadrilateral. In this one, sides and angle between diagonal is given. So this is what vertex A, this one is B, this one is C, this one is D. This side is what small a, this one is B, this one is small c, and this one is small d. And these are the two diagonals are given. One is what AC and other is what BD. And this angle is given theta. So we want to find out area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so what you will do here, we know that area of quadrilateral is what? Delta. Delta equal to what? 1 by 2 multiplication of diagonals AC into BD into sine of theta, where theta is what? Angle between diagonals. So this formula we know. Okay, we want to find out area of quadrilateral if sides and angle between diagonal is given. So here we don't know AC into BD. AC into BD is what? Product of diagonals. So we have to find out AC into BD. So for that what we will do, see, we are taking triangle. This one is what? Vertex. We are taking O. This point is what? O. So triangle OAB. In triangle OAB, A square equal to what? A square equal to what? OA square plus OB square minus 2 times OA into OB. And this angle is theta, then this angle is what? Pi minus theta. So what will come? Cos of pi minus theta. So what will come this one? A square equal to what? OA square plus OB square. Cos pi minus theta is what? Minus cos theta. So this will come out plus 2 times OA into OB into cos of theta. This will come. Similarly, we are taking triangle OBC. Triangle OBC. Now here we are finding B square. So what is B square? That is OB square plus OC square. OB square plus OC square minus 2 times OB into OC. And what is this angle? This angle will be theta. So what will come? Cos of theta. That is your B square. Similarly, we are taking triangle OCD. Triangle OCD. Here we are finding C square. So C square equal to what? OC square plus OD square. OC square plus OD square minus 2 times OC into OD into cos of, what is this angle? This angle is what? Pi minus theta. So what will come? Cos of pi minus theta. This will come. So what you are doing here? C square equal to OC square plus OD square. Cos pi minus theta is what? Minus cos theta. So this will come plus 2 times OC into OD into cos theta. This will come. Next is what? We are taking triangle OAD. Triangle OAD. Then what is D square here? D square equal to what? OD square plus OA square. OD square plus OA square minus 2 times OD into OA cos of theta. This will come. Okay. Now here, this one is what? Equation number 1. This one is equation number 2. This one is equation number 3. And this is equation number 4. Now here what we are doing? Equation 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4. That we are doing. So one equation is what? This one, and we are subtracting this one. So what will come here? Minus. This is also minus. This is also minus. And this will become plus. Similarly, plus this one. This is what? Positive only. And this one we have to subtract. So what will come? Minus. This is what? Minus. Minus. This is what? Plus. This will become. So here what will come? In right hand side what will come? Left hand side. A square minus B square plus C square minus D square. A square minus B square plus C square minus D square. This will come. Now if you see right hand side. So this is what? OA square plus OB square. This is what? Minus OB square. So it is getting cancelled. This is what? Minus OC square, and this is what? Plus OC square. This is getting cancelled. This is what? Plus OD square. This is what? Minus OD square. This is getting cancelled. Next if you see, sorry, this one. This is getting cancelled. this what plus minus OA square and this what plus OA square. This is also getting cancelled. So what will come in this side? Remaining is what 2 OA into OB into cos theta, and this is what minus what plus only 2 OB into OC into cos theta, and this is what 2 OC into OD into cos theta, and this is what plus 2 OD into OA into cos theta. So we can take 2 cos theta common. What is remaining here? OA into OB, OA into OB plus, in equation second what is remaining? OB into OC, OB into OC plus, equation third what is remaining? OC into OD, OC into OD plus, and equation 4 what is remaining? OD into OA, OD into OA. This is remaining. So here what we will do? A square plus minus B square plus C square minus D square equal to 2 cos theta in bracket OA into OB plus OB into OC. Here we can take OB common. What will come? OA plus OC. And here if you see OC into OD plus OD into OA, here we can take OD common plus OD common. What will come? OC plus OA. This will come. Okay, so here what will come? A square minus B square plus C square minus D square equal to 2 times cos theta in bracket OA plus OC, and here also what? OA plus OC. So we can take OA plus OC common into what will come? OB plus OD, OB plus OD. This will come. So here what will come? A square minus B square plus C square minus D square equal to 2 cos theta OA plus OC. So what is OA? OA is what? This one plus OC. So OA plus OC is what? AC. So this is what? AC into OB plus OD. OB is what? This one, and OD is what? This one. So OB plus OD is what? BD. So this is what? BD into BD. So from here we got AC into BD. So what is AC into BD? AC into BD. This is equal to what? A square minus B square plus C square minus D square divided by 2 cos theta. Okay. So AC into BD if you put here, so delta equal to what will come? 1 by 2 into A square minus B square plus C square minus D square divided by 2 cos theta into sin theta. So if you simplify this one, what will come? Delta equal to what? 1 by 4 A square minus B square plus C square minus D square sin theta divided by cos theta is what? Tan theta. This is your formula. So if sides and angle between diagonal is given, the area equal to what? 1 by 4 A square minus B square plus C square minus D square into tan theta. So A, B, C, D. A square minus B square plus C square minus D square into tan theta divided by 4. That is your area. Okay. Here one important point is there. This one. A square minus B square plus C square minus D square equal to what? 2 cos theta into product of diagonals. This was also formula that you can remember. Next we are discussing area of quadrilateral if sides and diagonal is given. So we have a quadrilateral. This is A, B, C and D. Here side is what? This is what? A, this will be C and this will be D. And diagonal is also given. So these are the two diagonals is given. Suppose this diagonal we can take what? P, and this diagonal we can take what? Q. AC equal to what? P and BD equal to what? Q. This is given. Okay, suppose this angle is what? Theta. Then area is what? Delta equal to what? 1 by 2 P into Q into sin theta. This will come. Okay, we have to find out sin theta because here sin theta is not unknown. But we know that 2 times P into Q into cos theta equal to what? A square minus B square plus C square minus D square. This we know. So from here cos theta equal to what? A square minus B square plus C square minus D square divided by 2 times PQ. This will come. Okay. So from here sin theta we can find out. So delta equal to what will come? 1 by 2 PQ. Sin theta is what? Root over 1 minus cos square theta. So cos theta value we will put here. So what will come? Delta equal to what? 1 by 2 PQ root over 1 minus cos square theta. So A square minus B square plus c square minus d square whole square divided by denominator square 4 p square q square. So if we take LCM, what will come? Delta equal to 1 by 2 pq root over this what 4 p square q square minus a square minus b square plus c square minus d square whole square divided by 4 p square q square. So you can see here pq and p square q square square root is getting cancelled. So what will come? Delta equal to 1 by 4. Okay, root 4 is what? 2. So 1 by 4 root over 4 p square q square minus a square minus b square plus c square minus d square whole square. This is your formula. If diagonals is given and sides is given, then we can use this formula.